Water and mills. Water is the essence of life. Its use for personal consumption and hygiene is compatible with its use for agricultural and industrial purposes. However, its benefits become extraordinary when its use is able to generate urbanism, as it is for the case of the Orotava. Indeed, much of the town organises its streets starting from the path that traces the channeling of water that flows from south to north, rushing down the hill from mountain to sea. This path operates as a backbone to which homes, laundries, tanneries and mills are linked to. Precisely the latter, water mills, are valued as first-rate patrimonial assets. Not only due to the fact that water is used as the fuel that generates the driving force to move the millstones, but also because gofio emerged from here and nowhere else. Gofio was a staple food of the masses in past times, which remains today as a relic linked by tradition to the pre-Hispanic inhabitants of these lands. The nutritious flour is the result of the grinding of millet and corn maize, a cereal which in recent years has been replaced by or intermingled with other cereals, preferably with wheat and chickpeas amongst other grains and pulses. The elaboration of gofio is quite simple, but at the same time holds the secrets of the entire handicraft. It begins with the roasting of the grain that will later be introduced by the miller into the hopper, the drawer which leads the grain inside to the milling teeth. The rotary motion of the milling teeth enables the wheat to be crushed, which as if by magic appears transformed and ready to be consumed as gofio. The search for that rotary motion was critical to engineering, and it is where the water takes part, or rather used to take an active part, because today the energy required for grinding has been substituted by a number of other mechanisms, replacing the traditional element of liquid. The modernization of manufacturing has disenabled the operating capacity of key elements of the traditional mill, and many structures which were required for the channeling of water into and out of a mill have now become obsolete. Namely the pail, characterized by its pyramid-shaped structure and known as the chabocco. It was the place where, having completed its work, water was channeled out of the mill, moving rapidly onto the next one in line to continue with its labour.